I've known this Kamba all my life. I've known Davis Shirtliff all my life. And I've known you are the best in water. You are the best in water. But there is a face of you I did not know that I knew 2 weeks ago. That face of corporate responsibility. Such a beautiful face.
Our CSR started an Improving Lives initiative in 2018 with a focus of enhancing water and energy access, particularly to vulnerable or rather the underserved population. And to date we've done over 850 projects and impacted over 2 million lives. On the environment side, we ensure our CSR initiatives are environmentally sound. We emphasize the use of renewable energy, just like the solar we've installed in this school. And we also take into account that we are contributors to the global carbon emission. And that is why we complement each and every CSR commissioning activities with tree planting initiatives.
You may not be able to understand, really fathom the magnitude of this project in our community here. How important it is to us as a school and as a village. And this project will serve roughly around 500 households within.
Whatever you are launching there is not just a hand pump, it's a transformation from one system to another. This shows that simple innovation can transform lives. As our motto says, we improve lives by doing what? Providing sustainable water and energy solutions.
Watoto, kuna shule iko na maji ya stima? Hata secondary school. Sasa Kitheini Primary School ndio sisi tuko na maji ya stima na tutakuwa tunaita automatic borehole. Tuliwekewa na Davis Shirtliff, hata tumeshinda secondary school.